Hey, what's going on, guys? Man, look at this. You already know. But Samsung, really? You sent me a lavender? Come on, man. I clicked on the lime green. At least they sent the right accessories that I chose. You know, since I am waiting on 2 more editions to come in. But yeah, guys, we're gonna unbox this bad boy. But you already know, we gotta hit the sponsorship. Alright, guys, so you guys already know, we gotta hit up the sponsor, which is Mint Mobile right here, guys. Check them out. $45, 3 months. Use the link down below, the affiliate link. They're gonna hook us up. You know, they'll hook you guys up. They'll hook up the channel. You know, it's by Deadpool. You know, they're savage. You can use whatever name to sign up. They don't need any real personal information from you guys, and they're gonna hook you up, and it rides on the T-Mobile network. So check them out. Use that link down below. That lets them know that Lo sent you. And let's go back to the video. All right, guys. So let's get this unboxed. All right. So we kind of started a little bit. So let's continue. You guys already know. We don't do stuff like the other guys. You know, the other people that unbox. You know, that'll sit here and do it in tables and this and that. We just, come on, guys. We just do it wherever the hell we're at, man. You already know. So let's unbox this. Since unfortunately they sent me the wrong color, Samsung. You know, now I'm stuck with a lavender color until I get a call back. So they're gonna call me back. I ended up calling already and tripping on them. So all you get is a charger cable, USB-C to C, the usual. There's not even no point of going through that. So let's see here. The box seems thinner than last year's. Okay, so that comes out. Oh, so this is all part of the plastic, okay? Boom, boom. And there you guys go. There's the lavender. And honestly, guys, this feels thicker than the last one. So there you guys go. There it is. All right, let's grab the S23. So I got an S22 Ultra right here. So let's compare it. Let's take it out of the case and let's compare it and see what the difference is really in size. So let's see here. Yep. So it's thicker. So the S23 is thicker for sure. Let's see here. Oh yeah, big time. You can tell the difference, guys. So S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra. Let's get this bad boy let's get this bad boy set up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I got the phone all set up. I put all my stuff in it. I put the screen protector on it, which I did not do a good job, but they're plastic, so what do you expect? So let's see here, guys. I already know you guys are gonna want me to do a quick little speed test on it, which I already been doing some. So let's just do a 28 ping 8 jitter. Let's see how this works with the N77. So it looks good so far. Huh, not bad. 297 down. And it looks like it's going to be about 70 up. Yep. So, not bad. I mean, I put this case on it. But other than that, guys, I'm going to tell you this about this phone. So, I was taking some pictures with it. And I'm going to keep it real, man. Like, I am not impressed. For a 200 megapixel shooter, all right? And all you can do is zoom in 6 times. So I'm gonna do it real quick with y'all on here, and I'll show you guys. So 6, we'll just take this quick picture right here. All right, and then we're gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. And it gets that blurry for 200 megapixels. Is that blurry? Come on, man. Come on, man. Are you serious? 200 megapixels gets that blur? Yeah, guys. I'm good, man, with this. Like, don't get me wrong, the phone is cool and everything, but is it worth upgrading from an S22 Ultra? Unless all you care about is a cellular, I wouldn't. And that's keeping it 100 with y'all. I would not upgrade unless all you care about is the cellular technology and having the latest modem, which honestly, even last year's will still be good enough. And I'm just keeping it real. Like, it's not even worth it. Not even worth the time, because I'm gonna show you all this right here. So on my iPhone, all right, I'll set this up to, where the hell is it? Hold on a second. Let me figure this out. All right, guys. So there you guys go. I put it to 48 megapixel ProRes. All right. We got the Pro Raw Res on. All right. So we got to zoom it into 6. All right. 6 megapixel. Look at that with Apple. Look at that with Apple. Look at how clear that picture is. And that's all the way zoomed in. Look at how much clearer that is. And this is less megapixel. So that shows you right there, guys. It's not about the megapixel. It's about how it's handled. But other than that, guys, just wanted to give you a quick little unboxing on the Samsung S23 Ultra. Alright, we'll do more testing with it and stuff. And yeah, we'll catch you later, guys. Have a great one, and peace. Thank you to all the channel members for the love and the support. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.